This is GCSE Further Maths Pure. We're on chapter 8, logarithms, and we're looking at 8.2, the rules of log. So generally we write log to the base 10 of x as log x. So if you see a log x there, you assume the base is 10 unless it says anything else. Any log with a different base number must be specifically written. Law 1, log AB equals log A plus log B. Law 2, log A over B equals log A take away log B. Law 3, log A to the power of n equals n log A. These are the first three laws of logs. Let's look at a couple of examples where hopefully we can use those to work out some of the information. Given log P equals x and log Q equals y and log R equals z, right, in terms of x, y and z. We know from our first one here that log PQ is the same as log P plus log Q, and that then equals log P is x, log Q is y, so our answer then is x plus y. We want to effectively get these separated out, so it either says log P, log Q, or log R, not kind of touching anything else. Part 2, log R over P, again using our second law of logs, that's the same as log R subtract log P, and that then gives us Z take away x. Number 3, log R to the power of 4. Using our third law of logs, we can bring that 4 to the front. 4 log R, which is of course then 4z. Part 4. We better work on with this one. Log P squared Q cubed over R to the power of 4. So first of all, we have a dividing thing here, so let's separate this bit out first of all. So that's going to be log P squared Q cubed minus log R to the power of 4. These are two things multiplied together, so that's going to be log P squared plus log Q cubed minus log R to the 4. That's the same as 2 log P plus 3 log Q minus 4 log R. We finally get the log P, the log Q, and the log R on its own, and so that then gives us 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Example 5 is log cube root of R over Q. So our first step here is to try and sort out what this cube root is. Hopefully we know cube root means something to the power of a third. So that's the same as log R over Q to the power of a third. Using our third law of logs, a third log R over Q. Be careful with this one, the whole thing is multiplied by a third, so remember we need the bracket here, so it's going to be a third. Put a wee line down here just to keep these separate. Log R minus log Q. That is of course a third. Z minus Y. I would be very happy with that as a final answer, but multiplying the bracket a third Z minus a third Y. Fourth and fifth laws of logs then. These are ones I guess we should kind of be aware of if you think about it. Log to base A of A equals 1. Remember, log to the base a of a equals x means the same thing as a to the power of x equals a. So of course x equals 1. This means a to what power gives me this, and so it's going to be 1. Similarly for this one here, since log to the base a of 1 is equal to x, that's the same thing as a to the power of x equals 1. And a to what power gives me 1? Anything to the power of 0 gives 1. Therefore x equals 0. Just another couple of examples here, not necessarily related to the previous ones, but log to the base 6 of 36. Let's do it a slightly different way. That's going to be the same as log to the base 6 of 6 squared. That's going to be the same as 2 log to the base 6 of 6. And using our log 4 here, that just gives you 2, because log to the base 6 to what power gives me 6? It's just going to be a 1. Log to the base 4 of 1024. That's the same as log to the base 4. Don't know if you know this or not, but that's 4 to the power of 5. So that gives me 5 log to the base 4 of 4. And the answer to that one then would be 5.